Thank you so much. Yes, I did. It's beautiful. I understand. It looks like a casino. It's so luxurious. Yeah, of course. When I went inside, it looks really luxurious. Yeah, because the way it is. Yeah, because the way it is and the music and
प्लीज यू स्टार्ट।
अच्छा, तो इन हिंदी और हाँ, तो हमने एक सीरीज़ अभी प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है गेमर लोग। ये फर्स्ट टाइम एवर इंडियन सिनेमा में फिक्शन वेब सीरीज़ है जो गेमिंग के बैकड्रॉप पे है। और इसमें दर्शील सफारी जो तारे ज़मीन पर के मूवी में थे, वो इसमें फीचर कर रहे हैं, इसमें डेब्यू कर रहे हैं। और अभिनय और मैंने इसको प्रोड्यूस किया है और अभी वो अमेज़ॉन MX प्लेयर और अमेज़ॉन प्राइम वीडियो पे चल रही है। एंड ये जो कहानी है ये इन किरदार की है जो अलग अलग शहर से आए हैं और अपना करियर गेमिंग में बनाना चाहते हैं। कंप्लीट कॉमेडी ड्रामा एंटरटेनिंग सीरीज़ है ये। और वी आर हैप्पी दैट वी आर हियर एट नाइट्रो जिम पवाई उनके 6th एनिवर्सरी पे, because I think fitness is such an important part of all our lives, and it is not only to look good but also to remain healthy. So I think it's a great gym and we are really happy to be here.
सो पहले तो मैं बहुत थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा प्रबोध का, क्योंकि प्रबोध एंड हिज फैमिली, उनके पिता और मेरे पिता बहुत करीबी दोस्त थे। एंड आज चल के मुझे मौका मिल रहा है कि मैं उसकी क्रिएशन जो नाइट्रो है, उसका पवई जो सेक्शन है, उसमें मैं आ रहा हूँ और आई एम लविंग इट। इट्स ब्यूटिफुल। उसने जो काम किया है यहाँ पे और उसके बाकी की भी जो आउटलेट्स हैं नाइट्रो के, विच आर फैबुलस। और एक कहना चाहूँगा कि एक्चुअली हमारा जो फील्ड है, जो सिनेमा या तो सीरीज़ या परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड जो फील्ड है, वो विच इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी क्लोज टू द फिटनेस फील्ड, बिकॉज इस फील्ड में रियली स्पीकिंग यू हैव टू लुक गुड, यू हैव टू बी वेरी हेल्दी, यू हैव टू बी वेरी फिट, and that is something that I have always believed in. So there is a little bit of a synergy here, or I think we are here also to talk about Gamer Log, which is the series हमने जो produce की है अभी नीता ने अभी कहा है उसके बारे में। तो I am really happy and glad that we are here. It's the 6th anniversary of Nitro and they are doing such a fantastic job. I've just met ये बच्चों को मिला हूँ मैं, जो एक NGO से को बिलोंग करते हैं, जो स्पेशल नीड्स किड्स, एंड दे आर फैबुलस, दे आर फैंटास्टिक। एंड आई थिंक ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है नाइट्रो का और प्रबोध का, कि वो इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी विच आर विच नीड फिटनेस एज अ बैकड्रॉप, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ। सो आई मीन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ देम। थैंक यू। Sorry, my fitness mantra. I don't have exactly a fitness mantra. मेरा कोई ऐसा fitness mantra तो है नहीं, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ बिलीव करता हूँ कि आप अच्छा खाएं और अपने ज़िंदगी में से या तो अपने दिन में से कुछ समय अपने आप के लिए और अपने फिटनेस के लिए ज़रूर दें, क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी और कुछ नहीं हो सकता। इफ़ यू आर हेल्दी, हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ, ये हमने सुना हुआ है, वो एक्चुअली बिल्कुल सही चीज़ है। तो प्लीज़ द ओनली फिटनेस मंत्रा आई हैव इज़ बी हैप्पी, डू वॉट आपको जो मन को अच्छा लगे वो कर कीजिए, और कुछ समय दिन का हमेशा आप वर्कआउट कीजिए और बस अच्छा खाइए। दैट्स इट, यही है।
हेल्दी इंटरनली, लुक्स ऑब्वियसली सेकेंडरी है कि आपको पतला रहना है या अच्छी बॉडी रखनी है, आई थिंक वो सेकेंडरी होना चाहिए। व्हाट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज आप कितने हेल्दी हो, आपका स्टैमिना, आपका एंड्योरेंस, आपका इम्यून सिस्टम। सो आई थिंक एक्सरसाइज शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर डेली लाइफ। जैसे कि आप रोज़ उठते हो, आप ब्रश करते हो, आप कॉफ़ी पीते हो या चाय पीते हो, आई थिंक दैट वे फिटनेस शुड बी अ रेगुलर हैबिट in your life for everyone, because that's when you will be healthy. And of course mere liye I think it is also to have happiness, because if you are happy internally, I think that also really adds to your health.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Pramod and Nitro for completing 6 years. It's my first time to this gym. It's very beautiful. I would say it's very luxurious. I love the theme of black and gold and this initiative with the special child and coming here and being a part of it. And also because it is very important, I always believe that a person really works hard, works out when he's happy or internally has a lot of peace. So for that, I think we need to think in a good way, and this is a good way of thinking and incorporating people who would want to come and make their health better, and not only physically but mentally also. So I just want to wish them all the very best, and this is such a lovely place. The moment I came, I told them it feels like I'm in a casino. It's a beautiful vibe and great music here. So yeah, it's a good place to work out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
glorious years of Nitro. What do you understand? What's story of the marriage in the
So let me first start by saying that I was here at the time of the launch of the first Nitro Club, which was about 6 years back. So the place looks absolutely stunning. It's huge, it's massive. I'm given to understand that they've grown in the last 6 years to 6 different locations, and they're doing extremely well. They're spreading the word of fitness and health, tremendously. Post-COVID, all of us have understood, realized the importance of what health is. The only real wealth is health, and Prabodh's doing a phenomenal job. I am, overwhelmed with the imposing fitness infrastructure that he has built, and I wish he grows from 6 to 60, in as short a time as possible. So congratulations to Prabodh, and congratulations to Nitro for this wonderful journey. Thank you for inviting me over here on your 6th anniversary. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति super. Now I can conclude Joshi's heart. Okay, so now we are going to begin, and they are going to do a special performance. So DJ, are you ready? DJ, so. they want to rock with you. Okay?
चलो चलो कम 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 कम
ठीक है. So, requesting all of you to please come for a minute.
मुलांना बसवूयात का आपण व्यवस्थित होईल चालेल छोटेच आहे तुम्ही असेच थांबा परफेक्ट आहे
सर आई वांट टू
of gyms, not just to India, but all over the world, and all the best.
और अभिनय सर आपकी ये थर्ड जनरेशन इंडस्ट्री में आ रही है मतलब आपकी फॅमिली जो कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन दिया इस प्राइस में एकदा जोरात टाळ्या संपूर्ण देव कुटुंबासाठी कारण त्यांनी जे दिलंय त्याचं मोल पैसा खरोखर नाही करता.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच. पण इथे मी एक सांगू इच्छितो सगळ्यांना की आय होप सगळ्यांना मराठी येत असेल बट आय वुड लव टू टेल एव्हरीबडी दॅट ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर 3 generations. But our top generation, Mr. Ramesh Dev and Naukari Sahib, that is Prabodh's father, were very, very close and good friends. So it's very, very endearing for me. खूप बरं वाटतंय की मी इथे येऊन आज प्रबोधच्या जिमला 6 वर्षाची शुभेच्छा देतोय. That is fantastic for me. So please, I hope that you keep increasing and taking leaps and bounds ahead in your profession, in your business, and we get to see more and more languages. It was a big thing.
My first time to nitrogen and I'm completely in love with it. The first thing I asked him is why aren't you opening it in Andheri? Because it's quite far for me to come from there here. So I'm looking forward that at least you open one in Andheri so that we can come and work out there also and feel the luxury that your gym offers, and I would love to congratulate you for completing 6 years and many, many more years to you for such a beautiful gym. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
Prashant Virendra Sharma, a broadcaster. I'm also a media. So Prabodh, I was there at the time of your launch, okay, 6 years back. And 6 years, 6 locations. Is that right? 25. And that's amazing. And that itself speaks volumes about how the Nitro chain is performing. But most importantly, see, there's a word in English called revolutionary. You are revolutionizing the world of fitness, and it takes, a phenomenal vision and a truckload of effort to actually make it. I'm also looking forward to a Nitro coming up around in theory, and hopefully very soon. Hats off to you, all the best. Keep going. Congrats.
थैंक यू सो मच। सबने विश किया है कि जिसका बच्चा 6 साल का हो गया उसके डैडी ने विश नहीं किया। So over to you, sir. आप just again,
I think we all missed one point. I must say we should also congratulate Ms. Kalyani Kapadia for introducing Marathi का first fitness course.
अभी मराठीचा पहिला कोर्स 2005 मध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस केला होता आणि वेळ तो कंटिन्यू केला फिटनेस कोर्सेस केले म्हणजे आणि आमचं त्याचं मॅन्युअल आहे मराठीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलेलं पहिलं ट्रान्सलेशन मी केलेलं कारण तेव्हा आमच्याकडे बँडविड्थ नव्हतं की आम्ही ट्रान्सलेट करायला पैसे मी मराठी मीडियममध्ये शिकलेली आहे तर मी सगळं ट्रान्सलेशन मी आणि माझा दुसरा कधी काय म्हणून केलं नंतर आम्ही प्रोफेशनल आम्ही आता परत तो कोर्स चालू केला परत ती बॅच एक बॅच झाली
lot of Marathi trainers who were not very fluent in English, they got an opportunity to do this course and get a better job in the fitness industry, all because of Kalyani and Kaida Kapadia. Yes. So we must congratulate them because they are an integral part of the fitness industry of Maharashtra and India, of course. अभी सर ने जैसे कहा कि हमने रिवोल्यूशनाइजिंग किया है, क्रांति लाई है, तो मैं लाइक टू शेयर विद यू माय ग्रैंडफादर वाज अ फ्रीडम फाइटर, तो वो तो क्रांति तो हमारी खून में थी। तो वो क्या और पीढ़ी चलती रहेगी और पता नहीं अभी खाली फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री नहीं, अभी तो इंडिया में रेवोल्यूशन करने का चल रहा है, अभी वेव्स आएंगे। Thank you. Thank you, Anu. And what should I talk about Abhinav Dev? Like, his father was a very close friend of my father. When I was a kid, that time uncle and auntie both used to come at home, and I've seen them like they were literally like right from afternoon till night dinner, from after lunch night dinner they were used to be at our home in Thane. So I used the families in there. But I was even like Ajinkya Dada, like Ajinkya Dev, his elder brother, is a very close friend of mine also. He was there during our function in Pune Kalyani Nagar. So Kalyani has been the word in our life, in associated somewhere here and there always. Who is this lady?
Simran ji.
दो शब्द आप कहना चाहेंगे आज के दिन? सिमरन जी का कल बर्थडे है, आप आज
अरे वो तो मैं सीक्रेट की इशारों को अगर समझो आज तो राज बर्थडे था।
That's very so kind. What a beautiful moment for me to be here at the most luxurious gym. And more than a gym, this is a lifestyle. And what an experience it is. It is not just about working out and keeping yourself physically fit, but also mentally, spiritually, and holistically, and more than that. You notice the aura in the room. It is all about when this place was constructed. I've been here since the time this land was born, and this is very special. I do remember we had the puja, the puja that we had, Prabhu. And at the same time, all the Nitro luxury e-sport is par excellence, not just in the country, but renowned across the world. So when I had my Firan friends who came to India and they visited Nitro, they said, oh, we don't feel we are in India. And that is the magic, not just the look, the aesthetics, but also the personal trainers and the very amazing equipment that we have. They're absolutely at par with any international equipment, which gives you and works on the deepest fifth muscle of the fifth layer itself. So that is phenomenal, and I'm truly overwhelmed to always be a part of the celebration, because Nitro is all about celebrating life making the most out of it, and being the best version of oneself. So thank you, Nitro. This is a gift to mankind, the gift to India, the gift to the world. You keep shining, and I'm so proud of you, Prabodh, that your passion has taken a different twist altogether, and there's no one like you. Let's give it up for the one and only Prabodh Davkare, who's a trailblazer. And I'm really proud of you and Sonia and the way Nitro has taken shape. At the same time, I think it's all in the genes. Hi Sonia! There she is. Hello love. And it's all in the genes and the place of...
the Raw will go on other occasions, even so much of any other variant. But Nitro Raw will be a flagship brand. Absolutely, and this collaboration will be more powerful than Vaishali and Madam. Thank you very much, and we are very proud of you and your entire team of Valencia. Thank you.
Is regarded as more important than substance. All we need in this beautiful world of AI is something which is naturally healthy, at the same time not just tasteless, but something which is very tasty and also tasty for the cells, so that our cells become very happy. And this is exactly what we're looking forward to. The grand unveiling right now of Nitro Road, and heartfelt congratulations to Nitro Bespoke. And first, you are in this luxurious world. You give us all the comfort where we plan to work out and sweat it out and become more flexible, healthy and strong. And after that, now, you have the perfect drink. What more can we ask for from life? Let me just tell you that also at Nitro we have the healthy meals. So all that you will do is just come here, have a drink, take a meal, and please go and make the most out of yourself, because you will be a star if you come to Nitro. So congratulations, and I truly look forward to having the Nitro Roar in my hand instead of the gadget on mobile phone.
You and me both. So we are so happy to see.
So can we just do something? Can we do something with the Nitro Roar? Yeah, with all the stars on stage.
कंस्ट्रक्शन थी, ये जिम अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था, और मेरा एक जिम जैसे एक एनवायरनमेंट के साथ बहुत अलग लगाव रहा है, बिकॉज महाभारत जब हुई थी 2014 में, उसके बाद एक अलग सा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाह रहा था मैं, तो तब से जो वर्कआउट करना शुरू किया है, फिटनेस के साथ ऐसा जुड़ाव तब से हो गया है मेरे लाइफ में। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होती गई, बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते गए, लेकिन तब से मुझे एक एडिक्शन सा लगा जिम के साथ हमेशा। और जब मुझे पता चला कि 6 साल पहले एक ऐसी जिम यहाँ आ रही है पवई अंधेरी ईस्ट में, जहाँ लग्जरी के साथ साथ अमेजिंग वर्कआउट्स, सारे इक्विपमेंट्स, सबसे अपडेटेड इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, और जिम का नाम था नाइट्रो, तब ब्राउशर्स से बढ़ रहे थे सब जगह, तो तब अचानक से मन में आया कि आई थिंक आई शुड प्रमोट दिस फैसिलिटी। तब मेरी मुलाकात प्रबोध जी से हुई। प्रबोध जी से मैंने जब बात किया तो उनका एक विज़न जाना, यहाँ का सराउंडिंग्स देखा, 7000+ स्क्वायर फुट की ये जिम है। 6 years it has been since then, and तब से it has been very incredible experience। मैंने अपनी काफ़ी फिल्मों की बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इसी जिम में की है, so I have very different memories with it। My fitness mantra is discipline, always. Eating less, being disciplined with respect to your diet, taking a nice long nap, 8 hours of good sleep. Say no to drugs, no drinks, no smoking. I've never even tasted alcohol in my life, never even smoked in my life. And this has helped me come this far. So I think that's my only mantra, to be disciplined in life. Thank you.
Well, Roar, basically it's an energy drink. It which has a caffeine and taurine both, and the category has been popularized by Red Bull. They have taken more than 25 years to come to this category, and we want to add an Indian brand to emerge out of this. So with an association like Nitro and Prabodhji, and with gym enthusiasts and Anup, people like Anup who are teetotaler, like no smoking, nothing, somewhat Mr. Akshay Kumar and all does it. So I don't see any reason why we will not fly very high and very quickly, and we want to spread like a viral across India first, then we'll try and capture the world. Today is an era of conquering the consumers and not the territories in physical geographical form. So we are going to conquer as much as consumer as we can capture with this Roar and Nitro brand, and along with the Roar we may come up with few other co-branded beverages. We have several of them. I'm sure Mr. Prabodh would love to get associated with us more and more, and I'm so delighted, so happy, and feeling so proud to be part of Nitro Roar. Per se, Roar is an energy drink, so health benefit per se, like health benefit, basically caffeine should not be consumed more, but one can which has a 75 mg of caffeine is absolutely healthy, and it has not of much of any effect, and which is in fact lesser than a cup of coffee. We are going to come up with a natural caffeine drink also, which is coffee based, and we have another brand called Himalayan Yak, where we are going to use Shilajit and no caffeine. So the entire bouquet towards the energy drink and pre-workout drink, like we have pre-workout drink as well and post-workout drink as well. So that entire portfolio will get clubbed with this Nitro brand 100%. And Mr. Prabodh is very welcoming person, and as they see the benefits of our drink clubbed with the workout, just having our drink has no meaning as such, but workout along with that is a really good message we will be spreading across our Indians. We want our Indians to be very healthy, very fit. The culture is in India is not very pro sports, or when we meet people from other countries and nations. When I was say 2021, I used to meet people from US and Japan and even England. It was so tall and good, and because of their gymnast and schooling. In India it's picking up now, but still we need this kind of what we can say, a national like Indian citizen. He's an Indian citizen. He's not a brand mascot or something. We want every citizen to be having physique like him and her and her.
I'm truly delighted to be here, and Nitro has always done it in a very unique way since the inception, and I feel very proud to be a part of Nitro, because having traveled the world, and in the past 40 days it's been 3 trips to the United States, 2 to London, 1 to Dubai. So I travel across the world, and I'm very, very fortunate I get a chance to experience even the gyms at the palaces. So Nitro is one place where I think Mumbai is very lucky to have a place like Nitro, Mumbai and Pune city and Thane city as well, and to also give all the facilities under one roof. At the same time, the kind of personal trainers that they have and the trainers on the floor, besides the equipments, is par excellence. So I'm very excited for this, because here at the 6th anniversary, Prabodh is now on with this Nitro drink, as it is, gone are the days when we used to say, you are what you eat, you are actually what you drink. It is as simple as that, and if you're getting something which is healthy, sugar-free, and at the same time gives you that energy, that is exactly what we're looking forward to in this world of where we are all global citizens of this world. We are awake 24/7. Sorry, it's a little different routine. Yeah, I sleep in the aircrafts every night, and I love that because we all are going through that life. So all you need is energy drink, something to take you on a high altogether, on a natural high, at the same time to give you the right mental balance. So this is what we're looking forward to, and I'm very excited at the Nitro Roll. Congratulations to you and Nitro for coming together for this very fabulous drink. I look forward to tasting it and taking it across the world, because when we have everyone and anyone who visits India, even when we have tourists coming here, they truly look forward to something which is healthy and unique. So I think Nitro Roll is the name now, and it's going to shine bright.
In fact,
So
I'd like to
congratulations.
elaborate on her why it is very important to keep an energy drink here with this zero sugar, in a way sugar free but good on caffeine, is because कई बार जब हम वर्कआउट करते होते हैं तो I have noticed people अचानक से कभी BP लो हो जाता है, कभी sugar लो हो जाता है. A lot of times when we are on a diet, we tend to not have carbs and we still come to the gym to work out. अब suddenly between workout 40 मिनट 45 मिनट के बाद you suddenly feel that there is BP is going down. At that time, immediately अगर एक energy drink हो जाए, so I think that fills up that gap for us.
Saves lives
us for
too.
us. And
By the way,
especially if the ingredients are proper, so I think people would use it very often.
Our ingredients are very good, best in class, and we use all the ingredients which are almost same as is used in Red Bull. So the quality of ingredients is never compromised in our case, and we'll be doubly sure when the brand like Nitro is getting associated with us. In fact, I have just given that instruction to my team to get every a decimal of the data which is printed on the label has to be accurate and as per the FSSAI regulation.
Right.
So we are taking extra care, and we will make you feel happy and proud that you are one of the few proponents of Nitro Roll, and Simran as well. She is our anyway international brand ambassador of India as such. She represents India wherever she visits. She may be for any occasion, but the persona and the cultural representation she does is commendable. So we are very pleased to have all of them here.
one ingredient I like to talk about is, he just spoke about, is Shilajit. That is a boon to mankind. So thank you. I'm just waiting for Shilajit to be unveiled and launched. And our body, if it's alkaline, you're on the healthier side. So we just have to save ourselves to not have the body towards the acidic side. Eating tamasic foods take you towards acid side. Shilajit balances it out. So if you wake up and have something with Shilajit or a drink which you're going to unveil, which I just heard, I think that is it. That is it. We're looking forward
I'll be just delighted to share with you.
Yeah.
Unlike common knowledge, Shilajit is known for male.
Testosterone.
Yes, it's not only
that.
male.
It's not only
It's
just
very good for female
females
as well.
Correct.
And in the same format,
It's good for overall,
the chemistry of Shilajit is fulvic acid. It's good for female as well, and we have worked upon it. There will be enough of social media and coverage, and the catalogs also will be like that. And this particular drink, I have just today only I have concluded something. This will be we will be having plant in Ladakh.
Lovely.
Oh,
Wow.
what a
For
place.
Shilajit pure.
for yes,
Pure
Himalayan
Shilajit.
yak.
Correct.
Himalayan is Himalayan, so it has to be in Himalaya. We had a little bit of crisscross with Red Bull. They asked us to remove even the yak which we had capped on our label. So we have respected them and we have removed it for the time being. But Himalayan yak trademark and copyright belongs to us.
Yeah, that's nice.
So that's Indian brand now, and it will be, see, Himalaya, the Ladakh region has a volcanic water. So volcanic water with Shilajit is going to really make wonders for us, and it will be sold equal. There is no gender divide in this. Females can equally have it properly. It's good for health, general health. So I'm just waiting for that. Maybe 3 more months for that.
We shall see you soon on that, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you
very
so much.
Thank you, everyone. And apologies.
ये आठवले सब कितने टाइम लगने वाले हैं?
He didn't pick up. He'll come in. He comes late.
तेरा केक मेल्ट हो रहा है और कुछ नहीं.
दौड़ेगा.
Thank you so much.
You got it as well.
Quite a lifetime. You're into fitness and it's bad like nobody.
Thank
How
you.
excited and proud you are of the brand and where you brought it today. It's indeed a lot of hard work and efforts.
Firstly, I will like to thank my father and my mother. After that, the God Almighty, and then the people because of whom today my brand is where it is today. So, because of the love of the people, our gym members and our franchises who have put their hard-earned money and trust and faith in my brand, and that's the reason my brand has expanded into 25 franchises today. All thanks to them. So I really owe my franchisees and our gym members today to all the success that this brand is where it is today.
This is a vision which is beyond and ahead of its time because Nitro-based fitness is one of the fastest gyms that want fitnesses here in Mumbai. What made you design the way you have designed, the gym, the ambience, the equipment, the kind of services that people are availing? It's not to be found in Mumbai city. Something like this.
Well, I say necessity is the mother of creation. When I was studying in Switzerland, जब मैं अपना MBA कर रहा था, when I was pursuing my MBA in Switzerland, that time I saw a lot of health clubs over there, which I used to use during my education days over there. So I didn't see that same thing or the same quality in India. But that's how it all started. But the thing is, I wanted to do things differently. So I wanted to make a product which is different from the other gyms, and I wanted it to be like an proper Indian blood product which can beat and stand against all international brands. So today Nitro doesn't only stand for a gym but the entire India. So it is my India's answer to the world, that is Nitro. The thing is now Nitro is also venturing into 3 things. One is the energy drink called Roar, as we unveiled today. Second is Nitro apparels and clothing. Third is the Nitro perfumes. Like lot of people after workout and all that, they sweat a lot, So just to cut down the odor and at this time to smell good, If you smell good, you feel good. So Nitro is all about that.
In terms of fitness yourself, what is that, one mantra that you tell people who must be handful of them and they're reaching out to you for that, how do we get into the fitness? What is that you need to tell our audience about that?
Sorry, can you just come again? I was just distracted by someone. Fitness mantra, देखिए the thing is कि hi, welcome to Nitro. हेमंत बिरजे जी थे और आज उनकी डॉटर हमारे एनिवर्सरी में है पवई में. What a coincidence and a small world. So
मेरा भी एक सवाल था.
हाँ जी.
कि आज युवा बहुत तेजी से नशे की गिरफ्त में है.
हाँ.
और आपने भारत अभियान, फिट इंडिया अभियान भी शुरू किया है. उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी आप देंगे इस मौके पर?
हाँ, the thing is कि देखिए, a fit body is not only about 6-pack abs. जैसे आप जानते हैं कि हाल ही में बहुत सारे लोगों को एक्टर्स हो गए या बिजनेसमैन हो गए या एथलीट्स हो गए, दे हैव बीन हैविंग हार्ट अटैक एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो मतलब ये अगर एक साउंड माइंड नहीं हो तो यू कैन नेवर हैव अ साउंड बॉडी. तो सबसे पहले ऊपर का माला ठीक करना ज़रूरी है. सो इफ़ यू हैव अ साउंड स्लीप, ओनली देन यू कैन हैव अ हेल्दी बॉडी. सो पहले तो हैव अ साउंड ब्रेन, अ साउंड माइंड विच कैन लीड टू अ साउंड एंड अ हेल्दी बॉडी बाय इटसेल्फ. 6 पैक के पीछे ना भागिए, आजकल बहुत सारे ड्रग्स मिल रहे हैं फॉर फैट लॉस, जो बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज़ ले रहे हैं। मैं किसी का नाम लेना नहीं चाहूँगा, बट ओजम्पिक जैसे ड्रग्स आजकल बहुत इजीली मिल रहे हैं फॉर फैट लॉस, बट लोगों को ये पता नहीं कि उसके वजह से ब्लड प्रेशर भी ड्रॉप होता है बहुत, एंड दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द रीज़न फॉर हार्ट अटैक्स ऑल्सो। थैंक यू। हाँ, पहली बात तो आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि कितने हमारे ब्रांचेस हो गए, तो हमारे कॉर्पोरेट 6 ब्रांचेस है, लेकिन हमारे 25 फ्रेंचाइजीज है एंड ग्रोइंग। एंड कमिंग बैक टू योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन कि आपका सॉरी सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या था, कैन यू रिपीट वन सेकंड? हाँ, देखिए नारी शक्ति, अच्छा हाँ, सो स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन का द थिंग इज़ कि देखिए एवरी ईयर विद एवरी जिम के एनिवर्सरी के साथ वी कीप डूइंग सम सोशल, लाइक माय फादर, मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे एक सिखाई थी कि जो भी हमको भगवान दे रहा है वी शुड गिव इट टू द अंडर प्रिविलेज, या जो वीकेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी है, हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है उनके लिए कुछ करना, उनके लिए। तो मेरी तरफ से ये, इसलिए ये छोटा सा एक प्रयास था।
I would like to say that the gym looks fabulous. I would love
Thank
to
you.
come and work out here sometime. It's a high-end, luxurious gym.
Thank you.
I saw there's a DJ console.
Yes,
Yeah,
there is.
CDJ players.
Yes, there is.
That's amazing. I'm a DJ, so that's
Oh yeah, right.
very exciting.
Yeah.
And like, do you really have a DJ live?
All
playing
our
when-
gyms have a DJ right from morning 6 a.m.
Wow.
till 11 p.m. And like, see, the thing is, I didn't want to make a gym which is like a boring, like your house or like your corporate office. Once somebody enters over here, it should be a different zone. It should be a different, you should be in a different mindset together.
Yeah.
So, you know, a DJ adds to the flavor of music, not only the music, but the mood. So, you know, so when you come over here, you should feel a high, which the DJ enables.
Amazing. So I can't wait to work out. And probably you should join me sometimes. We should
तो-
work out. I love working out.
तो
I
मैं
love
तो
doing
सोच रहा हूँ
functional.
कि-
You should join us. We should have a great working out session.
Absolutely.
So
I would love that.
So we have a
let's do it.
DJ console over there. We have everything, and there is a DJ over here.
Yeah.
तो एक सेशन इनके साथ सब मीडिया के लिए हो जाए वहाँ पे ही।
चलो चलो बिल्कुल ये
Let's do it.
look forward to
क्यों?
it.
Let her hit and take the place where she best belongs, and let the media hit the gym floor. है कि नहीं? माहौल भी है, दस्तूर भी है, मौका भी है।
मार दो चौका.
हाँ।
Oh, definitely. I mean, for me, if I have to speak for myself, I need to have that music go on. So it just keeps your mind, you know, your mind. It's like a kick for your mind, and it's like a thing that's keeping you going on, giving you that excitement, you know. Yeah, it's like a boost. It keeps you excited no matter how tired. So I do marathons, I do boxing, I do functional. I love working out. I have gone on my father.
That's
Thank
in the
God.
blood, in the
I'm not
bloodline.
lazy, thank God. And so when I do marathons, I do like 10 kilometers. And when the last few kilometers is like I'm dead, I cannot run. You know, I play those banger tracks which I have, like trance music, or you know, like those crazy techno like bangers. So yes, music plays a very big role in life overall. So music is magic, and working out is just fab. It's important, essential. Yes.
Yes, of course.
All right. Okay.
I just like to say that let the beat of the music touch the beat of the heart, and this is why it gives you that extra add-on and you boost that energy. Oh my God, this is my favorite music, and it takes you into a different world altogether. You don't have to go to a place, you know, to be rejuvenated. All you need to do is come to Nitro Bespoke Fitness and be rejuvenated every single time. And if Sonia is here,
Let's hear a music and let the heart feel it.
Yes, 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 for sure. Let's do
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So let's have the soulful music.
Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर गुड विशेस। एक नई जर्नी शुरू हुई है और उसकी शुरुआत आप सभी के साथ मैंने की है और आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ नाइट्रो फिटनेस और ये बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत फेमस ब्रांड है और दे हैव क्रॉस नाउ 6 years। सो आई रियली वांट टू विश देम अ गुड लक फ्रॉम माय साइड। फिटनेस होती है तो हम जैसे लोग अपने आप को फिट रख पाते हैं एंड आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट टू देम कि इनका एक और ब्रांच हमारे अंधेरी हो तो हम एक्टर्स के लिए और भी ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगा। ऑल्सो आई केम टू नो कि आज उन्होंने एक एनर्जी ड्रिंक लॉन्च की है तो बिना एनर्जी के तो हम में से कोई काम ही नहीं कर सकता, तो हमें जल्द से जल्द उस एनर्जी ड्रिंक को यूज़ करके और अपने एनर्जी को और बढ़ाना है, बूस्ट करना है। विशिंग देम अ वेरी गुड लक इन फ्यूचर।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच प्रमोद दफ्तरी जी जिन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं ये, क्योंकि फिटनेस को जितना ज़्यादा ये लोग प्रमोट करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हम लोग फिट रह पाएंगे। और उनकी 6th एनिवर्सरी पे मैं उनको बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट और गुड विशेस देना चाहूँगा कि अभी लॉन्ग वे टू गो और इससे ज़्यादा और खोलते रहिए। मुंबई के अंदर हर जगह जगह पर इनका ये नाइट्रो बीस्ट जो फिटनेस है वो ब्रांड पॉपुलैरिटी के साथ बढ़ता रहे और हम जैसे लोग और फिट होते रहे। और बाकी उनकी जो एनर्जी ड्रिंक आज लॉन्च हुई है उसके लिए भी उनको बहुत सारी बधाई और बाकी आप सब लोगों को भी बहुत सारी बधाई कि आप लोग भी यहाँ पर आए। हमारा फिटनेस मंत्र यार, हम तो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब काम में इतना ज़्यादा बिजी रहते हैं तो ज़्यादा फिटनेस के लिए हमारा है कि आधे घंटे भी मिल जाए हमें, तो हम चाहते हैं कि जितना जल्दी कुछ फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग कर सकें और थोड़ा डाइट पे ध्यान दे सकें। हमारे लिए तो फ़िलहाल इस वक्त फिटनेस मंत्र वही है, क्योंकि इतनी दौड़ भाग भरी जो लाइफ स्टाइल चल रही है अभी उसमें हम 1-1.5 घंटा जिम में नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, बट कोशिश करते हैं क्योंकि हमारा बहुत फेवरेट पार्ट है अपनी बॉडी को फिट रखना। बट फ़िलहाल तो आधे घंटे ही दे पा रहे हैं, कोशिश करते हैं फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग फटाफट करें और निकल जाएँ।
आई टोटली एग्री। मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि अपने पास 24 घंटे होते, बट उस 24 घंटे में हम अपने आप के लिए एक आधा पौना घंटा तो निकाल ही सकते। फिट रहेंगे तो दूसरे की, खुद की और दूसरों की सुरक्षा कर सकते हैं। तो इसीलिए फ़िट रहना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, कितना भी हम अपने काम में बिज़ी हो, एक आधा पौना घंटा हमें अपने बॉडी के लिए, अपने माइंड के लिए देना ही चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. This is really overwhelming. और पहली बार my birthday is in front of the media and it's very special. Prabodh, who more than you could ever celebrate my birthday? So I never because I celebrate every moment in my life. So मैंने केक बहुत सालों से नहीं काटा. I still remember college was the time when I cut the cake. So it's very, very special. So thank you so much, everyone. So for everyone, I'm just going to touch it. I've just done colon hydrotherapy since 2 days. I'm having khichdi only. So I'll just touch it. All right. Thank you so much. At first, thank you, Nitro Bespoke. I've always been a part of it. And I really also want to thank the entire family of Nitro Bespoke before this moment. Because I've been very fortunate. जो सबसे पहला Nitro unveiling हुआ था at Reach Candy was in the presence of Prabodh Davkare's dear dad, who's a forever legend, who always believed in giving the masses, Vasant Davkare साहब, and उनके साथ साथ उनकी पूरी family, इनकी मम्मी, इनके भाई निरंजन, to उनकी भाभी नीलिमा जी, to my dear Sonia, everyone. I'm really overwhelmed. Prabodh, they're like heart and soul and my best buddy ever. So this is very special. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. This is very, very special. Happy birthday to you.
आप चेरी खाइए।
Thank you.
हाँ, यही बेटर।
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, of course. Whatever y'all give me with love. It is very special. Love you. Can I feed you the same? Yes, sure, please. The fruit. Thank you. Shut up. The fruit? Yes. What do you like to eat? Sorry, they were the seeds. Happy birthday. Thank you, love. Can I feed you the same? Yes. Or if you like the pastry, I don't mind. Happy birthday. Thank you, love. My last post on Instagram is the same thing that I just did and experienced at Fasbani's. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's so kind. No, आप सबको आना है, please, everybody. अभी.